The mihi animas teteratole, give me souls, take away the rest. Father John po, STB. We are now in the 4th Sunday of Easter, and today we are celebrating the Good Shepherd Sunday. Ginugunita po natin kung gaano katindi ang pag-ibig ng ating Panginoon sa ating lahat, na He is ready to provide everything for us. He is ready to protect us. He is even ready to give everything, His whole life for all of us. For what reason? Because He loves us. At ito po'y panawagan ng ating selebrasyon, that each and every one of us should imitate the Good Shepherd to make sure that we will be serving one another. Handa tayong tulungan ang ating kapwa to provide and to protect. At ang dahilan po dito ay sapagkat tayo'y umiibig sa bawat isa. Ito po'y panawagan sapagkat ito po'y ating bukasyon. All of us has one vocation, and that is to be good, to be holy. And by imitating the example of our Lord, the Good Shepherd, we will be able to fulfill this particular vocation. Our gospel for today is taken from the Gospel of John, chapter 10, verse 11 to 18. At napakaganda po ng sinasabi dito. No? Sinabi ng Panginoon, kilala ko ang aking mga tupa, at kilala ako ng aking mga tupa, at dinidinig nila ang aking tinig. We will not follow someone na hindi natin kilala, at hindi natin marirecognize ang boses ng taong hindi natin kilala. That's why the Lord is trying to remind each and every one of us. Kilala ba natin talaga siya? Kilala ba natin ang ating mabuting pastol? Kilala ba natin ang ating Panginoon? Sa ating unang pagbasa, pinakilala po sa atin kung sino ang Panginoon at kung anong ginawa niya para sa atin. Kung anong kaya niyang gawin sapagkat sa kanyang pag-ibig, that He is willing to give everything to us, even His whole life, to bring us salvation. This is a wonderful reminder to each and every one of us. Ito ang ating Panginoon, nagkatawang tao, inalay ang kanyang buhay sapagkat sa kanyang pag-ibig sa atin at niligtas niya tayo sa ating mga pagkakasala. Pero sa pangalawang pagbasa, pinakita po dito, we reject these things because we don't understand. Hindi natin kilala siya. Kung kaya we are rejecting everything that He is saying. That's why in our gospel, we are being reminded. Get to know. Kilalanin natin ang ating Panginoon. Because if we know our Lord, we will be sensitive to recognize His voice. And recognizing His voice, we will find the courage and the reason why to follow His commands. Because we know that it is our God who is asking us to do these things. And we will follow for one reason. Because we love Him. Because He loved us first. Ang ganda po ng pahiwatig ng ating Panginoon ngayong Good Shepherd Sunday. Let us be a shepherd to one another. How? By imitating our God. But we will not be able to imitate Jesus, the Good Shepherd, if we don't know Him. So that, kung kilala natin ang ating Panginoon, iibig tayo na matindi sa Kanya at ating isasabuhay ang Kanyang mga salita. This is our vocation, to know, to love, and to serve our God. Therefore, in this celebration, my dear friends, we are just being encouraged by our readings, by our God. Kilalanin natin siya upang ating mapakinggan ang kanyang tinig at masundan ang kanyang mga inuutos. Once again, my dear friends, God bless us all and Happy Easter.